In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple flyer in Canva. We'll be keeping things really straightforward, so even if you're brand new to Canva, you'll be able to follow along and design a clean, professional looking flyer in just a few minutes. First, open your web browser and go to the Canva website. If you already have an account, make sure you're logged in. If not, you can create a free account in just a moment and then come back to this step. Once you're on your Canva homepage, look towards the top right area of the screen for the button that says Create a Design. This is your starting point for every new Canva project. Go ahead and click on that Create a Design button. When you do, a search bar or a menu will appear, giving you different format options. This is where Canva helps you pick the right size and layout for what you're making. In that search bar, start typing the word flyer. As you type, Canva will suggest different flyer formats, such as standard flyers or specific themes. For most basic needs, just the standard flyer option works perfectly. Typing it in is useful because it automatically pulls up the correct dimensions, so you don't need to worry about setting the size manually. Once you see flyer appear in the list of options, move your mouse over it and select it. One click here tells Canva that you want to create a design using a flyer size canvas. Canva will then open a brand new page or tab with a blank flyer workspace. On this new page, you'll see a large blank area in the middle, which is your flyer, and panels on the sides with templates, text options, images, and other tools. From here, you can start customizing your flyer by choosing a template on the left, adding your own text, changing colors, or uploading photos. If you're just starting out, try selecting a simple template first. You can always change fonts, colors, and images later, but picking a template gives you a solid layout to begin with and speeds up your design process. And that's it for the basic setup. You've clicked Create, typed in Flyer, and selected the flyer format. So you're ready to start designing your simple flyer in Canva.